Hello, I'm Sylvia. Today, the equipment I'm going to introduce, the most basic and essential equipment, the concrete pump truck. We usually see it at a construction site. A concrete pump is a machine that pumps liquid concrete. One of the concrete pump types is attached to a truck. It is known as a boom concrete pump because it uses a remote-controlled articulating robotic arm called a boom to place concrete accurately. Boom concrete pumps are used mostly on larger construction projects as they are capable of pumping at a very high volumes and because of the labor-saving nature by placing the boom. SK Machine Company with 20 years of experience is specializing in concrete pump truck. Let's find out more about concrete pump truck.
Hello, I'm Eliza from SK Machine. Our company, SK Machine and Parts, is a specialized supplier from Korea for concrete pump spare parts, units, and services. Koreans working here in SK Machine are mostly working in a concrete pump industry for a very long time with concrete pump manufacturers, concrete pump service maintenance, and concrete pump parts manufacturers. This is the outrigger of the machine. So each operation, before we start, we need to ensure the stability of the machine. This is the radio remote control. It wirelessly controls the concrete pump during operation. This is the main control block. If you are having trouble with your radio remote control, you can use the boom control valve to manually operate the machine. This is the PTO. This will divert and initialize the function of the machine to the concrete pump. This is the main control panel. It controls all the electrical features and function of the machine. Now, this is where the boom pump is located. There. And we also have the main pump here, as well as the tilting pump. The main pump is actually the heart, the main function of all the hydraulic system of the machine. This is the boom cylinder, the main cylinder, and then the outrigger cylinder. SK Machine can repair all your cylinder problems from main cylinder, delivery cylinder, outrigger cylinder, and everything. This is the hopper. This is where the ready-mix concrete is being placed. Inside the hopper, we have the agitator paddle and the S-valve. Maintenance and service repair for concrete pumps are also available with SK Machine. We have our more than 20 years experienced Korean concrete pump technician that can fix whatever concrete pump problems you may have. Parts sales is also one of the strengths of SK Machine. Most of the parts are available with us, especially Korean manufactured brands. concrete pump is one of the most difficult, complicated, and sensitive machine with a lot of technologies combined: hydraulic, mechanical, and electrical parts. So, if you have any plans of buying your first machine, we strongly suggest that you think about it carefully and ensure that you have enough learning through hard work. So, rental is always another option.
Wow! SK Machine provides total service for concrete pump trucks, from concrete pump sales, part sales, maintenance services, to rental. Don't hesitate. What are you waiting for? The answer to concrete pump truck is always SK Machine. See you next time!